Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt at home without yogurt. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients and equipment. The key to this method is using a high-quality probiotic capsule, which contains the beneficial bacteria needed to ferment the milk. We'll heat the milk, introduce the probiotics, and then allow it to culture into delicious, creamy yogurt. It's a simple process that yields fantastic results. For your ingredients, you'll want 1 liter of whole milk. Its fat content helps create a rich, thick yogurt. You'll also need 1 or 2 probiotic capsules. Ensure they contain live and active cultures, like Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. Essential tools include a clean saucepan, a reliable thermometer, and a sterilized glass jar or container for fermentation. Begin by heating your milk in the saucepan over medium heat. Bring it to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching. This step denatures the milk proteins, making a thicker yogurt. Next, let the milk cool down to a temperature between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled, open your probiotic capsules and stir their contents into the milk until fully dissolved. Now, pour the cultured milk into your clean glass jar. Cover it and place it in a warm spot, ideally around 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, for 8 to 12 hours. An oven with just the light on or a yogurt maker works well. After fermentation, the yogurt should be thick. Refrigerate it for at least 4 hours to set completely. Enjoy your homemade, probiotic-rich yogurt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.